Implementing a dry pour concrete slab has never been easier, and we're going to guide you through the process. What you first need to do is to implement a wooden frame where the base will take place. Pour cement, a lot of cement. And we're sharing a really important secret to easily open the cement bags by simply cutting them in the middle. Make sure that the cement is even before pouring the water, which helps it to dry. Remove the wooden stacks once the cement is all dried, and woohoo! You've got yourself a new place in the garden.